Desiccated coconut is super easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to do your own. So I've got some Bob's Red Mill coconut flakes here. These are unsweetened and unsulfured, so that's what you're looking for. There's no preservatives in them. And I've got my Ninja blender here with my little cupped attachment. And you can do this, you know, in a food processor. I just find that the Ninja works perfect for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my coconut flakes measured out. So I've got my coconut flakes. Again, I'm using unsulfured, unsweetened. I've got my coconut flakes here in my Ninja. I'm gonna put the attachment on. And then I'm just gonna stick this on my blender. Turn the power on, and I'm gonna give this a good pulse until it's nice and fine and a powder. I like to stop halfway through, give it a shake, and then finish. And there I have my desiccated coconut. And you can see it's nice and fine. And that's it. That's how you make desiccated coconut.